The Acura NSX is heading out to pasture, and so Acura, and its hybrid sports cars fans, have to move on. The brand is hoping the 2023 TLX, particularly the Type S and Type S PMC edition, will carry some of the NSX's luster forward. We got a peek at what the PMC edition will offer earlier this year, but now we have pricing and more details about the entire lineup to tell you about. The TLX lineup, which is essentially unchanged, save for the new PMC edition limited run, starts with the front-wheel drive 2.0T, which features 2.0-liter turbo four-sending 272 horsepower and 280 pounds-to-foot through a 10-speed automatic transmission to the front tires. Pricing for that model is up $750 over last year. Moving up to the Type S unlocks a 355 horsepower and 354 pounds-to-foot, the V6 drops the TLX's 0 to 60 time to 5.1 seconds. The Type S is $1,650 more than last year, as well, and comes standard with Acura's torque vectoring super handling all-wheel drive (SHAWD) system. The PMC edition, unfortunately, doesn't change the performance metrics any, being mainly an aesthetic upgrade. Cool aesthetic upgrades involving hand assembly by techs at the Performance Manufacturing Center, but that is the extent of it. The PMCs gain neat-looking copper-painted 21-inch wheels wrapped in Pirelli P0 summer tires, a carbon fiber rear spoiler and diffuser, blacked-out roof and door mirrors, carbon fiber interior trim, blacked-out badges, and a trifecta of special paint colors. Just 100 of each color will be built, with orders for each paint tone being staggered. Jumping to the PMC from the base Type S is a whopping $7,550 upcharge. Whether its limited edition nature or its unique appearance will be worth the cost is an open question, one that buyers will be answering with their wallets.